I am Mrs. C. A. Menaha Devi, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. Today I am going to talk about carbohydrates. Definition of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are essentially hydrates of carbon. That is, they are composed of carbon and water and have a composition of CH2ON. Carbohydrate, polyhydroxyaldehyde, ketones, and their derivatives. Carbohydrates having the following basic composition. Classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are divided into three major classes depending upon whether or not they undergo hydrolysis and if they do and the number of products. First one, monosaccharides. The monosaccharides are polyhydroxyaldehydes or polyhydroxyketones which cannot be decomposed by hydrolysis to give simple carbohydrates. Examples glucose, fructose, both of which have molecular formula C6H12O6, triose, glyceraldehydes, tetrose, erythrose, pentose, ribose, hexose, glucose, fructose. Oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides, Greek oligo, few, are carbohydrates which yield a definite number 2 to 9 of monosaccharide molecules on hydrolysis. They include disaccharides which yield two monosaccharide molecules on hydrolysis. Examples are sucrose and maltose, both of which have molecular formula C12H22O11. Oligosaccharides, disaccharides, which yield three monosaccharide molecules on hydrolysis. For examples, raffinose, which has molecular formula C18H32O16. Polysaccharides. The polysaccharides are carbohydrates of high molecular weight which yield many monosaccharide molecules on hydrolysis. Examples are starch and cellulose, both of which have molecular formula C6H10O5N. This is structure of glucose. Glucose can be called as aldohexose as well as dextrose. It is a monomer of many larger compounds such as carbohydrate, starch, and cellulose. On Earth, this is the most abundant organic compound on the basis of the following evidence. It was assigned the structure illustrated above. Preparation of glucose. Sucrose and starch are the two major sources of glucose. Preparation of sucrose from cane sugar. Sucrose is a disaccharide with the formula C12H22O11. On boiling, on aqueous solutions of sucrose with a dilute HCl and dilute sulfuric acid. Glucose and fructose are formed in equimolar proportions. Sucrose C12H22O11 plus H2O gives glucose sucrose. Preparation of starch. It is a polysaccharide that when boiled with diluted sulfuric acid at 393 Kelvin under 2 to 3 atmosphere pressure gives glucose. Starch C6H12O5N plus NH2O gives glucose. Uses of glucose. Uses of glucose. It is used in the treatment of hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. It is given to patients who are very sick and cannot eat as it provides carbohydrates, calories. It is used in the treatment of increased potassium levels in the blood. It is used as a precursor for the synthesis of substances. Thank you.